A parliament in crisis mode. The Bundestag has changed its rules to allow decisions to be taken with fewer members present than normal. Those who were there sat at a safe distance from each other. Parliamentary President Wolfgang Schäuble called on deputies to show support for the key workers who are helping to keep the country going. We express thanks and respect to the doctors, care workers and those in the health and security authorities who are being tested to their limits every day. I think we all agree we should include in our thanks those who day after day and in spite of the greater risk of infection they face, ensure that people have the supplies they need. In just one day, the Bundestag has green-lighted government plans to take on more debt this year than ever before. The crisis package includes an emergency budget of €156 billion, 50 billion to keep small businesses afloat and money for hospitals expecting a wave of coronavirus patients. Finance Minister Olaf Scholz, standing in for Chancellor Merkel, who's at home in self-isolation, acknowledged these are gigantic sums, but he said the country can afford it. Germany's strict rules on government borrowing are suspended for now. We're facing a crisis unprecedented in our post-war history, greater than all those we have faced recently. And it's a challenge to humankind as a whole. There's no script for dealing with the pandemic, said Scholz, but the government will do everything to reduce its impact on the economy. First, we have to ensure that there's a good healthcare provision for people who are sick from the coronavirus and ensure those treating them are protected. Second, we must protect the livelihoods of people affected by the crisis. Thirdly, we must stabilize our economy and preserve jobs. Despite the unparalleled measures, when it came to the vote, opposition parties rallied behind the government's plan. But no one inside the Bundestag or elsewhere can yet be sure if it will work.